What I'm about to show you is something that is going to change how your team spends their day. This is Atlas, built on LightLeapAI. The idea is straightforward. There are tasks in your business that are repetitive, time consuming, and honestly, a waste of your people's attention. Atlas learns from the decisions that you have already made and starts handing those tasks automatically. No code, no data science team, just results. Think about what your team does every single day: reviewing resumes one by one, manually approving or rejecting documents, checking items for defects or compliance issues. These tasks are not hard, but they are monotonous and endless. And every hour your team spends on them is an hour they are not spending on work that actually requires human judgment and creativity. Atlas uses computer vision to look at documents and images the same way a human reviewer would, and then acts on them instantly, at scale. And because it is built on an agentic framework, it does not make a decision and stop. It follows through, triggers the next action, keeps the workflow moving without anyone having to babysit it. So let me show you what that actually looks like. We're going to run Atlas on a stack of resumes right now. Watch what happens. It is scanning each one, assessing the candidate against the criteria you have defined, and making a call, qualified or not. What makes Atlas practical to deploy is how it fits into what you are already using. It works with any system. No replacing infrastructure, no migration project, no months of setup. Your team accesses it through a lightweight plugin that runs directly in your browser. Key details can be seen on the right side of the screen, but if it's too small for you to see, then you should come talk to us in the Atlas pod later for a closer look. Now, while we let Atlas continue running, the average recruiter spends a couple minutes screening a single resume. If you're running a hiring cycle with 200 applicants, that is 10 hours of focused work for one role before anyone writes a single follow up email. What you're watching right now is going to handle that batch of 25 in less than 2 minutes. Same judgment applied consistently to every candidate. No one getting a longer look because they went to the same school as the hiring manager. No one getting skipped because it was 4:30 on a Friday. Your recruiter is now spending their time on the people worth actually talking to, not the 200 applications that needed to be sorted first. But wait, who will be sending that email? Well, Atlas will do that too. Everyone has seen a resume filterer. What if you're not currently interested in hiring? Well, that same automation capability applies across industries: banking, insurance, healthcare. Every one of these fields has workflows bogged down by high volume, repetitive review work. Work that is important but does not need to be done manually anymore. These are purchase orders, a completely different domain, but the same principle at work. While you watch, think about your own team. What is the task that everyone dreads doing? The one that piles up over the weekend and greets someone first thing Monday morning? The review queue that must get cleared before anything else can move? The work that is not complicated, but it is relentless. Every organization has one, and it usually lands on a reliable member of the team because they are the ones who can be trusted to do it consistently, which also means they have less time left over for anything else. This is Atlas. Same throughput, same consistency, and nobody had to dread a Monday morning to make it happen. Every business has work that needs to get done but should not require a person to do it. Atlas gives your team their time back, eliminates the bottlenecks, and handles the volume without breaking a sweat. So, my final question is, what would you like to automate today?